Become the social man. Now this one uses the same skill as the first behavior. When women see that you're often making friends and talking to people, you develop social proof, meaning that they automatically assume you're a cool dude in social situations, and you won't make things weird and awkward. That's why you need to stop being the loner, socialize with more people. Action step. Organize fun events or parties to get people, especially cool guys and hot girls, together. For example, group dinners, group movies, going to the club, brunch, barbecue, etc. When you're the cool social guy, a girl will get value to be seen hanging out with you. But when you're the creepy loner with no friends, she might feel embarrassed to be seen hanging out with you. Take a deeper dive on how to flip a girl and how to re-attract that girl who got away. Just go to championsofmen.com/get the girl.